Hey YouTube. Okay, this is another one of those. Let me see. I try to follow YouTubers instructions on installing this synthetic lace. Okay, this is from Friday Night Hair. It's called GLSO3. It come in the U.S. mail. It take like 2 to 3 days for them to deliver. It has all the email information on the back. It has, this little chick on the front. So I followed this YouTuber's instructions, and I think I did it pretty good for a first timer. But tell me what you think. And I'm gonna link her video in the description box. Go look at her video. And these are $49.99, and I think I did a good job. But yeah, trying to lay these baby. I see the only thing, the little, I don't know, trying to do this baby hair shit. It wasn't easy as it looked, and that glue kind of shiny. But okay, so. Only thing is, I don't know how to clip the little combs and stuff in, so I only did the comb in the back. It comes with the elastic band. It got combs up here. I don't know how to do that. So once I cut the lace and did the little baby hairs, I'm assuming this glue gonna hold this shit to my head. But I'm put the link to her video. I tried. This is the first time I tried to copy her video, but tell me what you think. And I think it's good for under $50, but yeah. Okay, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and tell me if this is cute or look like a piece of shit. I ain't tripping. All right, bye.